and welcome to today's video. We are unboxing, which surprised me, the Boxycharm Premium Box. Yeah, you heard that right. I actually got it really early. I'm super excited. Boxycharm actually sent this over my way, so thank you to Boxycharm. I will be back to do a try on for y'all for some of the products in here. I did take a little sneaky peeky and I am shocked. So before we jump into today's video, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda and I'm hungry and I'm spicy and I think I'm getting a cold, so I'm grumpy. So we gotta fake it till we make it. In this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. I don't know other than I know what it is. I put espresso in my coffee. A couple shots. I'm gonna regret it later, but it's fine. Anyways, friends, we are on a journey to 100K, so make sure to subscribe. Click that bell so you're notified. Chances are you won't be, but we could take that 50-50 chance. I don't know. Hit that like button, and I would greatly appreciate it if you shared my video. Please. I thank you. Anyways, I have another channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I do plus size Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. I don't know why I'm doing this. I think to keep myself awake. I don't know. You chose to click on a channel where the first word was hot mess. So that's on you, okay? So I'm pretty sure I have it in my about that I'm a Gemini with ADHD. So if you didn't read, that's on you too, okay? So the premium box is $40. I think it's like $40. You do get to customize 2 items. Now, because this was sent over in PR, I did not get to customize. I get what I get and I don't throw a fit, and I'm not gonna throw a fit because, oh my gosh, all I can think about is my cheese snacks. You guys, if you watched my Slay Glam Box unboxing, I literally said, I'm not me when I'm hungry or tired or sick. So anyhow, so you are gonna get a card in here, and on the card it always has a theme. It's giving giftable glam. I don't know why. On the other side is all the items that are in this box. I'm using natural lighting, so if it bebops in and out, well, this is not a production, it's just a chick at home unboxing for you. All right, so the first item in here, that was a choice. Okay, I wanted to do a first impression unboxing for y'all. Now I'm gonna be back and putting this on for you guys. Follow me on Instagram because I'll probably also be posting some reels over there. I just have my scissors. So this is a Dominique Cosmetics palette, and it's called The Moment. And in all honesty, I love her packaging, by the way. In all honesty, I thought this was gonna be a very, oh my gosh, blue palette, but then I told you on the sneak peeks there's really only like 2 blue colors in here. This palette has a retail value of $49. It says, well, whether you're celebrating a huge milestone or just making the most of any day, get ready with these 10 ultra pigmented blendable shades, including midnight blue, dreamy turquoise, golden shimmers, and smoky mattes. So her packaging, this is honestly completely different than any Dominique Cosmetics palette that I've ever received before. I've got a couple other ones, and I want to say they were more like cardboard packaging. This is like a Huda Beauty packaging. Ooh, okay, this is pretty. I like this a lot. So see, like I said, just cover up the blues if they make you nervous, and then you just have a typical little neutral palette. So I do want to swatch this. The first shade stepping out is this really pretty like greeny brown. Then we have Mesmerize, which looks like it's a duo shift, and I've been swatching on my other videos, so some of my fingers are stained. This is gorgeous. Life of the Party is the blue, and then we have Dinero. I don't know, I probably said that wrong. And it's a really pretty gold, which I feel like those 2 shades would go really pretty. So I want to swatch. They feel beautiful. They're swatching nicely. So there's the first 4 shades. Ooh, that's a really pigmented like black. It's kind of like a satin because it has like a little bit of shimmer, just a tiny hint. probably not focusing, which is making me mad. Oh man, I already dented it with the card. Doggone it. All right, Elevated Essential Embrace. After Hours is insanely creamy. So there's the next swatches. And then I do have one more, Midnight Haze. These feel really nice. There you go. There is all of the swatches. I think it's pretty. And like I said, this was actually a choice product, so I will definitely be coming back and doing a look for you all. Next was also, I believe, a choice item, and this is the Perricone MD Micellar Cleansing Treatment Water. I've never tried their micellar water before, but I have tried other products from this brand. Oh, I love it in a glass bottle, and I really like it. It's a no rinse micellar treatment water, so that's nice. And like I said, I think that was a choice, so that would have been something that you wanted. So little information about this: it does have a $45 retail value, so you've literally made your money back already. It's the Ultra Gentle Liquid Cleansing Treatment that works as a 3-in-1 cleanser, toner, and makeup remover. It helps remove surface debris and unclog impurities from deep within the pores. I'm definitely going to try this. This has me excited because it said it's a toner, cleanser, toner, and makeup remover. Yeah. All right, next in here we have another skincare product. This is the Aviant Shea Butter Hyaluronic Vitamin B3 Seawater Sweet Almond. Wait, it's actually the Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid. Wait. Okay, here. Why, Aviant? Why you got such goofy, like, could you just not say it's a hyaluronic acid face and night cream? Face and eye night cream? Wouldn't that have been a little easier? Especially for people like me who's dyslexic. I mean, that was like trying to read all of that. So this has a retail value of $134. That's expensive. It's a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for use of the face and targeted the eye area. It's formulated with the hyaluronic acid that works to deeply nourish your skin. Also combines their signature ingredients to help improve the appearance of enlarged pores. Ooh, I'm gonna need that. Dang, okay. It also helps with uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and weakened skin surface. So, yeah, I like that. Next in here we have the Rare Beauty with Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm in Thankful, which I told you all, I was so confused. Some of y'all said that we've had this in, I think you guys said the Luxe boxes and over at Ipsy. So this is in Thankful. I feel like I've got this shade, maybe not. There it is down there. It's actually a really pretty color and it's really comfortable. So I know I tried this before. Actually, I feel like the other one I had was more of a reddish. I actually really like this. I really like Rare Beauty. Isn't that pretty? It's nice and definitely nourishing to the lips. This has a retail value of $16. It's a hydrating lip balm with a kiss of dewy buildable color. It looks and feels so good. You guys, blah, 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 blah. I'm sure you don't want to hear what I have to say, so you can just read yours. And then next week we got the SEINT Luxe. This is the lip duo that a lot of us thought we have already received, but in all honesty, this is, oh my gosh, Morganite and whatever color shades. It's these two. These don't look familiar. One of y'all said, yeah, remember you take off the lid and it falls out, but mine is not doing that. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh yeah, I like that color. That's like the coffee brown color. I'll show y'all in a sec. And then I like the way they feel. So it's these shades. I'll try and stay back here and just zoom in. So it's these down here. I actually really like that, and I feel like, in all honesty, the Morganite color, or however you say that, would be really pretty with this Rare Beauty lip balm paired together. So I like that. Now, a little information, these have a retail value of $30 to $15 each, it sounds like. It's their new and improved gel lip liner. It's creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating. Okay, so maybe we have seen the lip duo in the past, but this is their new formula, which is nice. And then the last item, which I'm gonna just set in a giveaway because I have a ton of mascaras open and some that I haven't even used yet. So this is the Complex Culture Exclusive Level Mascara, 5-in-1 Lengthening Mascara. That's nice. It does have a retail value of $28. Level up your eyes with the multitasking 5-in-1 mascara. So it will define, lift, lengthen, volumize, and nourish from the root to the tip. So that does sound nice, which I told you all when I stopped wearing lash extensions. Now I just have like false lashes on, but I was really trying to help kind of regrow my lashes from having the lash extensions on for so long. So let me go ahead and tally up the total of everything in this box. Oh, I forgot to put the roast in. Okay, so everything in this box is around $40-some if you purchase it. So you get like 6 items, you get to customize 2 of them, and the total came to $302, which of course the Aviant skincare took a big chunk of it at $134. So overall, hold on, I'm gonna wipe this off because I know I'm gonna get this all over myself. Overall, y'all, I actually like this premium box, and I'm gonna be real with you guys. I like it better than last month's Tarte box. I don't know, maybe no one will agree with me on that, and that's okay. That's okay. Like, we don't have to both love everything. But in all honesty, I mean, these two do sound very promising and sound like it's definitely what I need right now in my skincare. And then I felt like this was absolutely beautiful. And I mean, everything, I would use everything if I didn't have so many mascaras. So there's only one thing in here that I'm gonna not use. So I think overall, this was a really good box. Take off the price and just actually focus on the products. I'm excited about the products. I'm definitely excited. I know some of y'all did say that we've received this in the past in a different container, which possibly some, you know, may have, but overall, I don't think this is too bad of a variation. I'm definitely curious to see the other variations. I'm very excited to see my base box. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I think the choice window is going to be opening up very soon, or it may be already open by the time you guys see this video. So of course, I'll be back to give you all some sneak peek spoilers and all of that, so stay tuned for that. I am pre-filming this, so I don't know what all's out there and what's not, so it'll be very exciting. So stick around, join me on my journey to 100K. Shout out, and of course, to my girl Martha. Her fall candle collection is only going to be available until I think November 10th. So code HOTMESS will save you 10% or 15%, I'm sorry, 15% over there at the Good Candle. Definitely recommend Martha's candles, 100%. They're amazing. And if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, it's not an affiliate code or link. I will have that down below for you guys. I think we're gonna have like drop shop will be open too by the time you guys see this video. I don't know, I could be wrong. And there may already be another new giveaway on my channel. So stick around, subscribe, feel free to share this video, and don't forget my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I do plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. I think that's all I got. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4, and I'm gonna go eat because I'm hungry, and I just remembered I forgot to put the pot roast in. And it's 2:30. So that'll be tomorrow's dinner. Pasta tonight. Okay, until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, friends. Big thank you to my YouTube members. Y'all don't have to help support this channel, but you choose to, and thank you all so much. I greatly appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Your taste is really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my